Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV model and OS so you know which menus apply, and make sure you have the remote and account passwords to hand. Once ready, open Settings and go to Apps or Applications. This is where installed services live. Locate Wisdom Share Smart Cloud TV in the app list. You need to access its app settings first. Do this now to see options like Force Stop, Clear Data, and Uninstall. Those are the first actionable controls you will use. You should force stop the app to prevent background processes from blocking changes. This also ensures immediate UI response. Next, clear cache and then clear data to remove stored credentials and local files. This severs account links without a full reset. After data is wiped, choose Uninstall. If Uninstall is unavailable, select Disable to hide and stop it. You do this because uninstalled apps free space and disabled apps stop updates and background access. Make sure to accept confirmation dialogues to complete removal. Once the app is uninstalled or disabled, reboot the TV to ensure all services are restarted and residual processes are cleared. After reboot, try casting or using the features that previously used Wisdom Share to verify removal. Sign into the same account to check settings have reset. If you still see the service or errors, perform a targeted factory reset only after backing up important settings. Troubleshooting tip: if uninstall fails repeatedly, revoke the app's permissions in Accounts and reinstall, then uninstall once more to clear stubborn hooks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.